Welcome to the Bronx's own original hot dog factory here on Bruckner Boulevard and East Tremont Avenue that boasts 29 different hot dogs handcrafted with the aim to satisfy any palate.
I'm getting the buffalo vegan.
And that's just one recently added.
They have so many options. They have taco ones, Mexican ones. I've never seen so many options in my life. You gotta make it over here.
New York City Council members Fernando Cabrera and Gjonaj were there to celebrate with owners Anthony Bacheco, William Bacheco, Jose Cruz, and Jose Pearl Moronta. What's going through your mind right now?
Pure excitement, really.
This after staying the course during the pandemic.
It was a rough year last year. We worked through the whole year putting this stuff together. It took us a while to get, permits, all of that stuff. But hard work and dedication finally paid off.
It's a good day for New York City. It's a good day for Throggs Neck.
Not only for bringing a quality product to the Bronx, but also for helping to rebuild the small business community by putting close to a dozen people to work.
I'm just happy to be an owner, happy to be here in the Bronx, raised in the Bronx, and actually own something here in the Bronx.
Originally, we were going to open up, it was a Papaya King.
That changed after the Atlanta-based franchise founded by Dennis McKinley came to their attention and they got to work, and here's the result.
The more toppings, the better.
Something they specialize in, as seen right here, were selections like Jamaican jerk chicken, the Detroit coney, the street Polish dog are also on the menu for takeout or indoor dining. Here's another proud owner, Jose Cruz.
The Italian sausage is my favorite.
29 flavors, including a vegan hot dog. How can you resist? The Hot Dog Factory is right here on East Tremont and Bruckner Boulevard. For Bronx Net, this is Arlene Mukoko.